G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Here's the latest update on my restoration of my 50s HMV F5A6 black and white telly. Okay, so as mentioned in a previous video, this set has been modified in the vertical section to compensate for the blocking oscillator transformer failure. And I've traced over the circuit and redrawn it to how it has been modified, and this is the results. So pretty much redrawn the circuit, and I've also traced over in red. So the modification's pretty much all in the vertical section here, and much of the modification pretty much conforms to John Hunter's valve replacement modification circuit for the blocking oscillator and for the vertical section. So much of it conforms, but there is a fair number of differences as well. But anyway, so yeah, this is the rewiring done, and this is John's circuit, and yeah, I'll just have to compare his circuit to the circuit modification and make adjustments to conform to John's circuit, and hopefully the TV vertical section will work properly. I know I know also I'm going to have to replace a valve. That's the wrong valve type. It's I think from memory it's a 6DT6. I'm going to have to replace that with I think it's this one, the sink separator. Yeah, if I remember rightly, it's a sink separator valve. Instead of using a 6CS6, I used a 6DT6. So I'm going to have to replace that with the proper valve, the 6CS6. Also, yeah, so far this resistor capacitor network, I'm going to have to up the capacitance value to 4.7 nanofarads instead of 2.2 nanofarads. Anyway, I can't exactly tell you off the bat how much this modded circuit conforms to John's circuit, but there is a fair number of similarities, and just have to make some modifications here and there to make it conform to John's circuit. This is the trace out of the circuit when I went over the wiring. Alrighty. So yeah, not much more to tell at this point, but I'm going to start doing the comparisons and modifications and get the circuitry to look like John's circuit, and hope for the best, and make sure that I don't make any wiring mistakes. Alrighty, stay tuned for my next update on my HMV set restoration. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.